to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. All right, today we are doing another pop socket video, which if you need a blank, I have them on shopauntietay.com. And I actually have the printable photo paper, sticker photo paper on shopauntietay.com as well, which is one of my favorite products. So today I'm gonna show you how to do a printable, custom photo pop socket thing. Yes. And we're gonna do two different techniques. We're gonna use the Cricut, and then we're also not gonna use the Cricut because my printables line is not just for the Cricut. It's for anybody who loves to do custom stuff by printing with an inkjet printer. So if you need to know more about my printable line, you should check out my printable line video launch. All right, let's go. Today I'm going to show you how to use Pages. You can also do this with Word. I believe you can also do it with Google Documents as well. But I use Pages because I have a Mac, and that's kind of Mac's version of Word. So all I'm going to do is kind of make a photo template for my pop sockets. And what I want to do is just put a circle, and I want to make sure that it is 1, and let me measure my pop socket really quick so that I know exactly how big they need to be. I have a ruler right here. I'm going to measure this. These are 1.5 inch. So we want this to be 1.5. So if you hold shift, it should be able to keep it down. I don't mind if it's a little big. And then I'm just going to hold shift and nope, I'm gonna hold option and grab it, and it's going to duplicate it. So I'm just gonna do that a bunch of times until I get the row across. And this will be like this. And I will also make this available to our members in a Pages format. So hopefully you can open it in Word and do this. If not, you're gonna have to do it yourself. Okay, so then I'm gonna drag over all of them, and I'm gonna hold option and drag down, and option and drag down, option, drag down, option, drag down, option, drag down. And then once you have these, you can essentially fill them with whatever photos you want. So I'm going to go in and find a family photo. Let me see if I just wanted this one. This is just a picture of Hunter and Landis. You drag it and drop it in the circle, and then you can resize it to where you want it. And so that will fit right on a pop socket. So I'm just gonna print one out for the rest of the video, but you could do a bunch of photos and make these for Christmas presents. We have them for $4.50, blank ones on shopauntietay.com. So this would be, and the photo paper. So this would be a really fun and easy gift for somebody for a birthday or whatever. So, okay, let's finish this project. I'm actually gonna delete all these circles for the video's purpose and print this on a piece of photo paper so we can get moving with the tutorial. So I'm just gonna click File, Print. I am going to move it over just a little bit just to be safe. I would recommend giving it a decent size margin just in case. I gotta go load my photo paper, and let's finish the video. Alrighty, so we are going to load our photo sticker paper shiny side down, or depending on your printer, however it prints. You want it to print on the photo side. And then I'm going to take a hole punch that fits my hole, my pop socket hole. And this is the one I got at Joann's, or you can get it on Amazon, and I'll add it to my Amazon store so you guys can get it easily. And I like to flip it upside down so I can see perfectly where my photo is gonna be. And then I just pop it out and peel off the backing, and then it's perfect size for the pop socket. I believe this is the 1.25 inch circle. I will add it in the description just to make sure you guys know for a fact. And then you're good to go. You can decorate it with some rhinestones or glitter, but these are super fun and a really fun gift.